In this video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom image and hover in Elementor. In order to do that, first, head over right here into your elementor.com website. You can create an account by clicking onto this Get Started. Or if you already have an account, click onto this login option. Once you're done with your Elementor, next head over to WordPress.com. Click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account, or click onto this Login option if you already have one as well. Now, onto this part, let's head over and log into both my accounts since I already have an account. Now, here is actually my site. You just need to open the page that you want to open. Here is my About page that I have created. So, for example, let's create right here a hover effect onto this particular image. Now, in order to do that, just click onto this image right here. So when you click on it, make sure that you actually have the option to actually edit it. Just click onto the image that you want, and then from in there, you can see this advanced option. You can click on it and you can scroll down. You can see in here that we have motion effects. So expanding here this option, and in here we have this entrance animation. So you can click on this and you can see entrance animation options that you would want right here. Now this part matters if you have Elementor Pro or Elementor Free. If you have Elementor Pro, you can just scroll down and then access right here the custom CSS. If you don't have it, then you need to head over right here to your homepage first on your Elementor dashboard. Go over right here to the appearance, and from in there, you can head over right here to the editor that we have. Once you're on your editor, you can head over and find the CSS ID. So let's head back right here. So you have some options right there. You can head over here to the motions effect and then enable the scrolling effects, mouse effects, as well as the sticky option. And choose in here the hovering option onto the entrance right here. So for the zoom, head over and choose in here the zoom in option. And then you can see in here the animation duration, and you can change in here the delay that you would want. So you should be able to add hover effects to your actual Elementor website. Thank you for watching.